Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia Elewa. How are you guys doing? I hope you are in good health and doing okay. Anyway, on today's video I showed you guys how I created this fun look. It's just a very fun, simple, creative look that I just wanted to create to pair with my colorful hair. Yeah, so that was basically what I did today, and if you want to see how I created this look, then keep watching, okay? So guys, today I'm gonna be using my Morphe and James Charles palette for today's look, and I've already transitioned on this eye, so I'm gonna do the same on this eye. For my transition shade, I took this shade, this orangey like shade here, and also this shade. So this and this for my transition. All right, let's go. So I'm using a fluffy brush. Oh my god, I'm using a fluffy brush and I'm digging into this shade. So I'm gonna put it all over my eyes. So today I'm trying to create either a blue look or a pink look or a blue and pink look. I don't know, I've not made up my mind yet, but I will see what we come up with. Something that will go with my hair. Yeah, and if you have not watched this video, the video of my hair, you better watch it, okay? Watch how I achieve these colors on this hair and how I mix these two colors together. You will love it. Now I'm gonna switch to the next transition shade, which is this. And I'm also gonna apply it just right on top of that one, all over my eyes. Okay guys, so this is what I was able to come up with, as you can see. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and the first shade I'm gonna be taking is this pink right here, the pink shade. So I'm using a pointed brush, and what I'm doing is, so I'll be interchanging between this pink and this blue. Which one again? Yeah, no, this blue. So between this pink and this blue, I'll be interchanging the two shades. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the first shade, which is a pink one, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it at the center of my eyes. Just put a dot on my eyes. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a different brush. Okay, this is from Morphe, I think, from Morphe. So I'm gonna take the blue shade, which I showed you guys just now, and I'm also gonna draw a circle around this pink shade, just like so. So guys, that was basically what I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing again. It's very easy, very easy. So I'm taking the pink shade again, and I'm using the pointed brush. So I'm just gonna place it right here, just make a dot right here. So now I'm going to take the blue shade and I'm going to draw a circle around it. just like so. So I'm gonna go back with a pink shade and just drop it there, make it pop. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and take the same blue shade. Let me show you again because I've been saying blue shade. So this is the blue shade I'm talking about, this. So I'm gonna go ahead using a pointed brush and take it. Then I'm gonna apply it right here, just like this one. I'm gonna repeat the same process that I did on these eyes, right here. And this is the pink shade. Then I'm gonna take the blue brush and take the blue shade and also draw the circle here. I'm going back with a pink shade and I'm gonna make this pink hair pop a bit. I'm gonna make it be visible. I'm gonna go in with the same pink, okay, but I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush, a fluffy blending brush to take it all over my eyes. I'm also taking this lighter pink shade, using same fluffy brush. I'm gonna use it to go all over my inner corner. Using the fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna be applying it on my brow bone. Now I'm adding some pigments to my eyes, and this is what it looks like. So it's a big glittery pigment. So I'm gonna go ahead. I think this is about it for my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and draw my eyeliner, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to define my lashes. So guys, I've done my eyeliner and my lashes. As you can see, my lashes are on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and I will be right back. Like I said, I'm already done with my eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my face. I'm gonna start with my contour, concealer, and foundation. I'm not gonna be talking while I'm doing this, okay, just to save time. So I'm just gonna be showing you the products I'm using, and I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. So I'll just quickly do this and I'll be right back, guys. So guys, for this I'm gonna be using my Smashboxcosmetics shape and shade custom doll. I've used it a million and one times. So I use it for my contouring. Yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna be talking, so yeah, I'll just show you the product and go ahead and do what I'm doing. I've moisturized and primed my face. Okay guys, so now that my face is baking, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes, my waterline, and I'll be right back. I'll be showing you, just that I will not be talking while I'm doing them to save time. Okay guys, so for my under eyes, I'm still gonna be using the same shades of blue and pink, this blue and this pink that I used last time. That's what I'm gonna be putting on my under eyes. So just hang in there, let's do this. Guys, for my blush, I'm gonna be using these two shades from this palette. So I'm just gonna swipe through the both of them. for my lips, I'm still gonna be using this blue and pink for my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna take the blue. So now I'm gonna take the pink shade. And I'm gonna apply it right at the center of my lips. Now I'm gonna be applying my Glam Light lip gloss, and this is in the shade Donut Glaze. Now I'm gonna be finishing up this look with my setting spray. So I'm gonna be using my Silky Girl setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this beautiful creation. Yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope I tried to, this is just a fun makeup, okay, nothing serious, just something to blend in with my hair. As you can see, my hair is blue and pink, two-toned. Anyway, I made this hair like I said before. Check it out on my channel, okay? Make sure you watch it and support me while you do by subscribing and liking and share, okay? Today's makeup is to match my hair color, you know, something to flow with it. So but we've come to the end excuse me, of this tutorial, and this is what we're looking like. I like the look. It's just a pretty easy look to create, very easy, nothing difficult at all. Very easy. It just took me a few minutes to create this look, yeah, and to create the eyes, okay? Anyway, this is the end of this tutorial. Don't want to talk too much. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, like, give me a thumbs up, share, like. Are you kidding me? Thumbs up is already like. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, okay? Share and subscribe, very important. Join my family, very easy. Just press that red button and we are family. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be leaving you guys here today, and don't forget to watch my other videos, okay? I'll see you guys on my next video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. God bless you.